Hello, this is an example to show how an instructor can create a virtual scenario to support his teaching goals for a particular class. I am going to play the role of an instructor here, so let's say I have only 5 minutes to get my virtual scenario ready. I'm going to open my set of slides that I plan to use for my course. This appears to be a hazardous materials recognition and safety awareness level course. Its aim is to teach students, among other things, how to make sense of various types of placards. Let me close the slides for now and start creating the virtual scenario. The first thing that comes to mind is a situation involving a train derailment. I start by clicking on the infrastructure library, start selecting items, and load them into my environment. I think I'm going to have a road network. I will then have a wrecked train and have it located at the top of the board, so you have a railway line running across the little town. And then you have buildings that I'm dropping in. One building here, one here, and I'm going to have houses that are close by. And we can have foliage, sets of trees. More trees. I am now checking my time. I have used about 2 minutes so far. What I'll do now is put in a group of non-player people that are going to be close to the scene of the accident. I'm going to add a news crew that is trying to get close to the emergency location. Let's move the news team to someplace more appropriate. And to make things a little bit more interesting, we can also show that it was actually snowing. Okay, so I'm going to have a snow situation by putting in a few icons to indicate where snow is falling. So that's going to be my scenario, and we still have 2 more minutes to go. Now, let's go out and visit the virtual scenario. That's what my students are going to do. So we are now moving out of the classroom and getting immersed in the situation. To save some time, I will fly forward. There are various ways to navigate in this environment, and now we can see the train derailment. We can also see placards that the students will be able to look at and interpret. It appears that I need to add some snow here. And now you can see that we have the news group over here. And you can see that there is a group of people that are close by watching what's going on. So I have my scenario ready and still have 30 seconds to go. Let me show one more thing. Students will be able to have access to tools such as a web browser and be able to make searches about materials of interest. They can try to find the meaning of the placards they just encountered. They can learn about hazmat Class 6 toxic substances and learn how to deal with such materials. Thank you for your attention.